Hello. So we are back, but this time with a laptop repair. Yeah. So what we have here, we have a HP laptop. It's an i5. Looks like a cheap laptop, but still has the fingerprint reader. Pressing the power button, nothing happened. And if I plug the charger, I just repaired the charger. I made a video about that. Plug in the charger, and we have no light, nothing. I mean, it's dead. Okay. This come from a local repair shop, so we have to do it. Here is missing a plastic bit. This is kind of dodgy. I mean, why this is sitting like that? I mean, the screen is bent. Look at the screen. Oh, that's insane. Probably it's a very cheap laptop. What laptop it is? It's a HP model 7265. What model is this? Oh, no, sorry. Sorry, I'm looking on something else. 14-J157CA. Yeah, that's the model. Okay, let's open the laptop. This looks like has been opened before. Okay, so that's the laptop inside. I mean, it looks fine. Looks perfectly fine to me. Let's plug the charger. So what do we check first? First, we are checking if the 19 volts is reaching the board. Maybe we have a charging port issue. Let's see. So the charging port is going here. And we have black and red. And we have jumping voltage, yeah? So you have 0. Okay, jumping voltage most likely indicate a short. Okay, that's what it's indicating. We have the startup chip there. We have some power supply, so we can check if we have a short. No 19, no. Maybe you have a shorted MOSFET, we don't know. Ground, short, on the other side short. Okay, so checking with the multimeter. I mean, it will be no difference. Indeed we have a short. So this will be a very quick job. Yeah, you can see 0.05. You can see. Yeah. This is just another basic job. I mean, you have a shorted capacitor because probably it's not MOSFET. This is a small charger. It doesn't really have the power to burn a MOSFET. And even if you have a shorted MOSFET on a laptop like this, most likely you can fix it because the charger has low power and probably is not able to burn the CPU. Okay, so how we can fix this? First, we need to get rid of this black thingy. Maybe the short is here. You see here you have some power supplies. Here you have. Let's see if we can diagnose without opening. Let's see. Let's get the power supply. Come on, just sit there. Power supply. And here we have nothing. There's no ground here. Ah, sorry, one probe goes off from the power supply. So here we have 0.04 volts, and on the other side we have 0.07. Okay, so this is the main power rail, and it's taking 1.4 amps. Let me get a thermal camera. I mean, with 1.4 amps, we should see something, right? Like anything, if it's shorted. 007, 004. Okay, so the resistance is a little bit too low for... I cannot raise the current. Let's raise the voltage. 2 amps. So let's see, we have 1.3 volts. I mean, that's the point where I will stop pushing current. Yeah, let's lower the current because the resistance is too... it's kind of high if I'm going high on the current. So we should have something. We are pushing a current there, but I can't see anything on this area. The CPU looks fine. Behind of that foil I can't see. Oh, look there, check that. Here, what do you think is hot there? What do you think? What do you think is hot there? This thingy. Wow, it is. It's warm. The screen cable. You can believe that? So if we unplug the screen, we getting rid of the short? Probably. And look, the screen is untouched. I mean, check here. No one opened this before. Let's unplug the screen. So the screen is unplugged. Let's check for sure now. Zero. Yeah, so we don't have a short anymore. Other side, yeah, we have because it's ground, but here we don't have a short. And the last video, if I remember, not the last video, no, it was not the last one. 2 videos ago, we had another laptop with a shorted screen connector. So we have a short. Most likely it's not the cable like we seen on that video. So probably it's the screen connector, but let's try to fix it. I mean, this screen is dodgy. Look at this screen. It's not sitting right. Kind of dodgy. Liquid. So check there. Everything here is liquid. You see what you see here shiny. It's liquid. And it's not water, it's a sweet liquid. Let's take the screen out. Now the question is, can we fix this? Wait, we have few screws here. Can we fix the screen? That's the question. You know what? I'm just smiling because I'm thinking. Do you really think that people it will pay for this cheap laptop? It will pay for a new screen and a new screen ribbon cable? No way. How much is this laptop? Like a little bit over 100. But on the back of the screen is no liquid damage. Let's check this. Possible this screen has been replaced before, not sure. So that's the screen. Let's check here. Huh? What do you think about that? Let's take the connector out. Check out the connector. Check there. Wow. I mean, I believe everyone knows what is next. I believe everyone knows. I mean, I made a bunch of repairs of this kind of fault. Let's, I'm just trying to get this thing out. Yeah, so what do we have here? You know what, we have two wires. Come on, this is easy. This is easy. I mean, you know what? You know what I believe? I believe everyone actually is fixing the laptops on this way. But no one is saying on the chat, you know, yeah, sorry, I'm doing the same. Yeah, I'm doing the same. No one is saying. I think they are afraid being roasted by the others. So probably those two wires is plus, okay, because we can see they're coming there. Huh. Hopefully the laptop is still displaying. I can only hope. Let's remove those wires. Yeah. I believe a lot of people are doing this, but they won't admit it. Here is like new. Here is like new. Perfect. We can sell this screen on eBay. Okay, let's connect this connector back because this is fine. I'm pretty sure it will still work few years from now on. And let's concentrate on the burn connector from the screen. Looks bad. Let me try to get rid of the reflections. No. Bad idea. Okay, anyway. So here we have some plastic. Okay. That's easy. Here we have few pins which they are coming out. And that's fine. Here we have two pins which I want them to come out. Here we have one more. I want it out, and it's out. And I want one more pin out. Yeah. This pin I want it out, because otherwise I need to broke the track, and I don't want. Yeah, yeah, it's out. Look how clean it is. Perfect. Look, it's like new. Perfect. Okay, let's check this with ground. Yeah. Let's see, shorted to ground. No, it's not shorted. That's great. Now all what we have to do, is to solder those two wires there, or one wire, at least one wire, maybe two. Hmm? Can we do it? The wire is shielded or not? How can we know? It's not shielded, it's like, it's just wire. Yeah, you can see. It's just wire. Yeah. Perfect. Let's solder the wire there. I mean, deep inside you, yeah, inside your mind, you know that's the only way to go. Probably no one need to order the screen and the screen and the screen ribbon cable. No, probably no one will do it. I mean, why you will do it? To get more money for the cost from the customer? Well, you can do this and you can still get more money if that's what you want. Yeah, if that's what you want. Wait. Actually, I need this. But you have to see the bright side. So actually, this is not only easy, it's nice. You know, you just personalize this job with your solution to fix it. Yeah, right. So the job is short. The job is pleasant. I mean, what do you have to do? Like two solders. That's all. Yeah, that's all. That's all. Now let's check for short. Okay, this step is important to check for short. Great. Now the magic must happen. Like you bring some hot glue, and that's all. Yeah, some hot glue to be sure everything it will stay in place. Perfect. 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 I told you. I told you it's perfect. Just a small sticker over, so no one it will steal your secret. And we are done. We are done. Let's put the screen back. Let's put the screen back. Or we should test it. If you test it now, that means you don't trust yourself. You don't trust your work. On the other hand, if you test it now, you are smarter because probably can happen like your graphic is dead. And anyway, you work for nothing, you know. You'll not go back to desolder those wires, right? So I believe the right way to go is to put all back together. At least let me put the screws on the screen and we can test it. Yeah. And one more screw here. You know what? I don't think this screw was here. No. No, this one was here. Great, let's test it. Yeah, let me plug the charger. Oh. No one told me. You guys, no one told me. I forgot to unplug the battery, so actually we soldered the wire with the battery plugged in, like half plugged in. Look there. Lol. But anyway, probably the battery is disconnected because the main power was shorted. But don't do it. Yeah, don't do it. Just unplug the battery. Let's plug the charger. Let's plug the charger. And we have red light. We have the charging light there. Let's press the power button. And now is the pray time. Yeah, you have to pray. And we have backlight. Let's see if we have picture. We have picture. I can't believe. We have picture and it's loading the windows. Wow. And the screen actually has no spots on it. Like, you know, the liquid spots. Let's wait for the windows to load up. Yeah, perfect. Absolutely perfect. Okay, so I'll stop now. The screen is solid, it's working fine, no problem whatsoever, it's charging fine, everything is fine. Now it's fine, okay? So, you know what, I'll stop now. The idea is that's the only way to go with a job like this. Yeah, it's no other way. This is a cheap laptop. And if you will charge more money, the customer it will say no. When the customer is saying no, you lose, the customer lose. Yeah, so it's not good for anyone if you ask for a high price on this repair. I mean, I really understand on more expensive laptops, yeah, but not on this one. This is a cheap one. Yeah, it is a cheap one. I mean, it's still i5. Oh, what is this screw here? Oh, this is the no. Lol, this screw just was sitting here. Okay, so I'll stop now. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video, and see you on the next one. Bye.